everybody, welcome back to Project Versus. I'm Tim.
I'm Camden, and so today, this video, we are going to be featuring an Evo. But before we get to that, we want to thank all of our followers on Instagram, and we almost have 250, so...
Yeah, thank you guys so much for following us. We are having a blast doing all the things. I'm going to go ahead and bring us down here so you can see what's going on Instagram right over here. So, guys, we're having so much fun. We're about on our 100th post. Almost have 250 followers. We're having a blast doing our featured rides, just like we're going to dive in today. But we're also having every single day we do a ride versus ride. So Camden and I have been picking. You've been noticing that we're picking the same type of car, and as you guys know, we always give credit back to whoever's car it is, whether it's a photographer or the car owner. We're making sure that you guys are always getting credit back wherever we're posting, okay? So a lot of times we post on Instagram, or we do every single day, but we're also posting over on Pinterest. So let me go show you that right now, because Pinterest, we have a pretty big account over on Pinterest. I have been using Pinterest personally since 2009. So what I wanted to do is bring in, take Project Versus and put it over on Pinterest as well. As you can see, we have over 753,000 monthly views over on Pinterest, and we're putting the cars that we feature over on Pinterest as well. We're giving credit back, all that good stuff. As you can see that there, we're doing videos and stories and different types of pins. Is pretty fun. And as you can see those numbers down there. You guys kind of get an inside look at some of the numbers that are happening over on Pinterest. So be aware. So when you get featured on Instagram, you're also getting put over on Pinterest. And we also have our blog, okay? So every single day when we're posting, we're also posting over on our blog, so you can see your ride featured over there if you ever are wondering, okay? So let's go ahead and find the Evo that we're going to talk about today. Yeah. I'm going to scroll down and find it here on the blog. It's way down there. Let's check them out. And we're also going to look at it on Instagram because there are some awesome pictures, and there is a really, really cool video that Camden has not seen yet. He's going to be hilarious when he sees it, okay? So as you can see, we are featuring this Evo right here by William_EVO X. Really cool. This thing caught my eye right at the beginning, right when we started. I showed Camden, and what did you think, bud?
I thought it was really, really, really cool. I like the snowy pictures. I think those are awesome.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, guys, if you did not know, we are in Ohio. It is winter right now, so we really like the snowy pictures.
And if you guys have been checking out our ride versus ride, you guys know that I like big wings on cars, so I really like this one.
Yes, right. So as soon as I showed Camden, we had to feature this one, and you can see how low this guy is. So awesome. There it is on the blog. You probably saw him over there on Pinterest. I'm sure I pinned it. But let's head back over to Instagram, and we're going to look at William's Instagram, and I want to show Camden what I'm talking about here. So let's go check him out. William EVO X. All right, so obviously he's been posting. He posts all the time. Obviously, great, cool detail. He's got this on his bag, so then he can raise it, lower and raise it. It's pretty awesome.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes. So Camden, let me show you this video. Yoda, baby Yoda. Ready? Watch this. Okay, that was awesome. I mean, look at that.
That's so funny.
Baby Yoda, that is so awesome. Well, okay, so we've had a lot of fun just checking this one out. Looking at the pictures, and then it did really well when we posted. So thank you, William, so much for sending us your pictures and your mod list, and obviously Baby Yoda there. So all right, guys, we are signing off till the next video.
See you guys.
See you later.
Peace.
Peace.